wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best skateboard risers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the blank wedge is an ideal choice for skaters seeking angled pads on a budget. Their slanted shape can help control steering response, making it faster or slower depending on which way you position it, and can give you more stability at high speeds. These cost less than $10 and are available in 2 colors. However, they're too tall for standard hardware. At number 9, whether you're putting together a new board or reconfiguring an existing ride, the amphetamine hardware kit has what you need to get the job done. This comprehensive set contains 1/8 inch pads, axle nuts, speed washers, and more. The included bolts are extra long and it comes with ABEC 5 bearings, but the quality is less than professional. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the No rubber are not only functional but come in 7 colors, so whether you prefer bright neon pink, bold red or basic black, there's sure to be something here that matches your style and makes your undercarriage look great. They also act as shock pads and muffle sounds somewhat. They're an affordable option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for skateboard risers or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you use the company's other hardware, consider picking up some Paris longboard pads to match. Shaped to fit the round footprint of their trucks, these risers are made of a stiff, dense plastic that's durable and built to withstand plenty of wear and tear. They're engraved with a stylish logo and available in 2 sizes, but they don't work with drop-through decks. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether you're looking to improve your turns, avoid wheel bite or both, the Dimebag hardware angled make for an ideal choice. With a durometer rating of 80A, these tough and durable pads are sure to last you for a long time to come. They're compatible with Sidewinder trucks and built from semi-soft rubber. However, they are heavier than plastic alternatives. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're looking for one-stop shopping, consider the Independent set. It not only comes with a pair of 1/4 inch pads, but the bolts and screws needed to attach them to your board, so there's no need to worry about whether or not you already have compatible hardware. These cost less than $10 and are made of hard plastic. They're a good choice for longboards. At number 4, if you just need a bit of extra space beneath your deck, look no further than the Sector 9 shock pads. Without adding too much height, they reduce vibrations from the pavement so you can stop feeling every crack in the sidewalk and enjoy a smoother ride. These have 2 sets of holes for hardware and work well on electric boards. They're a good size for medium to large wheels. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the VJ Longboard offer a number of options, so you can get the design that works best for you. Depending on how big your wheels are, you can choose from 4 sizes, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, or go with an angled wedge. Some of the options include hardware, and they come in a discreet black color, made of a soft rubber material. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for skateboard risers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for many skaters, aesthetics can be just as important as functionality. The Lucky Graphic is a great choice for those who prioritize visual design. Available in eye-catching colors like green and white, they're both stylish and useful. These come with long bolt hole slots and are made in America. They help prevent pressure cracks. And taking the top spot on our list, the Sector 9 Flat are perfect for skaters who want to get substantially bigger wheels. Since they add an extra 1/2 inch to your height, you can put enormous longboard wheels on a shorter deck to create a versatile cruiser. They sport a stylish logo and design and are made from recycled plastic. They'll fit modern and old school trucks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for skateboard risers, or simply click beneath this video.